Bangka nga to. No plan.
Come on, let's go and play. Elsa wants to give us all some fun. Make everyone a snowy summer day. 너는 이가참 방송상의 빙수 원금을 Let's game!
Ano gagalit?
Sino daw?
Snow White.
Snow White? So, okay, sino yun? Sino yun? Olaf.
Oh no.
Yes, si Olaf.
Eh, nato kayo matalo doon.
On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love that thawed the frozen heart.
And now they're best friends.
Indeed.
Okay, hold your panyawa.
Bakit?
Akyat!
Sa baba. Yan yung magbababa. Bye!
Sige, hawak. Sige, hawak.
Ana, si Ana.
My sister's magic night.
You ready to see Elsa?
They were born ready. For the first time in forever, we get to share this frozen fun. For the first time in forever,
Pero Selsa.
no rules for me.
destiny. Oh, the sky will be blue, and you guys will be there too. When I finally do what frozen things do in summer. Da-da, da-da, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-boom. The hot and the cold are both so intense. Put them together, it just makes sense.
Ate.
Winter's a good time to stay in and cuddle, but
Bibigay na naman.
summer and ambiance.
Kailan, bibigay na naman yan.
Exactly.
Hindi na, tapos na, be. Tapos na, tapos na.
Yun na yun?
Yes. Next natin, Iron Man. Iron Man. Iron Man.
Ako na, tawag.